Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Quattro-Tech Vanworks, and today I just wanted to give you a little run through of the Skyline Aurora roof that we fit. It's the most popular one that we do. Part of the reason for that is these little bits up here which you might be able to see. I'll cover in more detail in a minute. These are little cam locks. So to cover a few features and benefits of the roof, first of all, you'll see on the canvas, this is what we call a scenic canvas. Again, when I step inside, I'll show you. That allows you to zip it out and you can enjoy all the sunshine inside. It just makes the van lighter and airier, a nicer place to be. Again, really good fabric material here, waterproof, durable, long lasting, really is a quality piece of kit. You'll see here as well, you've got some mesh windows in both sides. They're really handy to have even in colder weather. Open those up, just avoid the condensation building up inside. And then round at the front, you've got a plastic perspex window. So even if it is a little inclement outside, you can still unzip that and get some light in there. On this particular one, the roof is black gel coat, works quite well with the black van. Black gel coat and white gel coat are the standard finishes, but you can have it color coded to your van for an additional cost. But again, white and black do work quite well in most scenarios. This particular roof, you can have roof bars put on it. There is a weight limit to what you can carry, but if it's things like, kayaks, surfboards, things like that, that's ideal. And also, if we come round the back here, you will be able to see we've got a 200-watt solar panel on the roof. And that is a nice, really flush fit. It's barely a couple of mil thick. So again, not too intrusive, but does give you that option of having solar on the van. So if we step inside, another wonderful feature on the Skyline roofs is the bifold bed. So you have a nice little hatch panel that you can pull along here. When you're driving along, it gives a nice neat finish, really completes the interior. Most roofs, to be honest, just have this open. The canvas can bag down. It just looks a bit unfinished, but we really love this. The bifold element of the bed, that's really crucial as well because it allows you to push the bed up like that. This particular one is a combi day van, so I can't quite get in the back to show you, but I'm 6'2". I can comfortably stand here. And if you sort of project it over here, you'd be able to be 6 foot and stand up here lovely. The bifold bit just refers to this section here, where it's got hinge 1, hinge 2 bifold, and it just means there's an immediate improvement in height here. So if you imagine you've got your rock and roll bed or something similar there, headroom is fantastic. And then if you were cooking over here in your kitchen, again, headroom is fantastic. What else can we show you in here? Lovely finish inside is the suede padded finish on the roof. So that just gives it that class look and feel again. Handles, so you can just grab and pull. There's no straps, there's nothing to worry about. And on the ones we do, we fit a nice little pop top reading light up here. It's got a USB in it as well, so whoever's up top is catered for. And in terms of closing it down, it's nice and simple. Might be a little hard to see on camera, but we'll do some clever editing and it will all come together. But you pull the bed down first, then you turn round, grab hold of the handles, and then you just lower yourself down. Simple as that. Then you can sit somewhere here, you can hold it with one hand. It's easy to do. And from an ownership point of view, you want to pull these side pieces in. You want to have your bungee strap attached before you pull the roof down. It just helps get everything in. Just by hand, pull those in. And then you've got your front section here. You just want to pull that, get a nice clean fold in it. As fewer creases in that plastic window as you can will just help with its longevity. You don't want it to go sort of that creamy, milky colour from too many creases. And you just pop the roof down. That all folds up. And then this is where the hatch cover comes into its own. You slide that forwards, you lose all the canvas above it. Slides forwards, hooks on there, and then that's how it looks when you're traveling, which will be 99% of the time. To secure it, this is the clever bit, we have a key. So you have a key with a square drive. In here, just under the sun visor, you'll see that there is a little access hole up here, and in there you'll see that there is a square peg that corresponds to that key. And so you simply put that in, give it a turn, there's a little click at the end, and then that's the roof secured. You do the same on the driver's side. Give it a turn, wait for the click, it's just that last little bit, and that's secured. These are, if I can represent it with my hands, what you're doing is turning a cam lock round, and that last little click is where it pulls down and secures. You don't need to over tighten it. It's not like you're tightening up a nut or bolt or anything, it's just securing it. And then you can check from outside that roof is secure and not going anywhere. Just give it a little wobble from each side. That's secure, you know it's good. The last checks you're going to do is just look down the side, make sure there's no canvas hanging out. I didn't show you, but there is another bungee in the back of the roof that pulls the canvas away from the hinges, so that avoids any damage there, which can happen on other roofs, or if you do forget to put the bungee in. But in a nutshell, that is how it is used. And if I just show you the cam locks in action, that should give you a better idea than my description earlier. So if we pan back and look up here, what you can see is when I turn the cam lock, I turn that arm and the last click pulls it down. Now if you look above here, you'll see a metal bar, and so that arm turns across the bar, pulls the bar down, and that's how your roof is secured. That is the unique feature of the Skyline Aurora with the cam lock, and as I say, simply turns, pulls down, and you are done. So thank you for joining me on this video covering the Skyline roof. If you have any questions, please contact us, and if there's any videos you'd like to see, drop us a message and we'll happily make them for you. Until then, see you later.